Now that your stream is approved and you've also set up the configurations for your stream, you're now all set to publish it. So what you do is click on this link which is now come in red, which says stream now, and you will have a pop-up to configure how your stream will be published. So the first thing that you do is select the country in which you want the stream to go to. So in this case, by default it says Bahrain. However, when you click on this little cross, you will see all the other countries which are mapped to this particular instance of the streams platform. So in this case, we want this stream to be published in India, so we select India. You also select the language in which this will go out. And now I will have to select the start date and the end date for the stream. So now what is the significance of this? I can actually schedule my stream to be published at a later date, or I can have the start date as today itself. And I want the stream to only remain for about a month. I want it to be visible only till the 31st of July. So that is what I select. And now comes a very important part. Who do you want this content to be seen by? The audience who will be viewing this content. So here is where you need to set up the role, the agency and the business unit who will be given access to this content. So by default, as you can see, your role, agency and business unit are all set to all, which means that all the roles which are configured in this instance of the platform, and within all those roles, all the agencies and all the business units will be able to see this content if you publish it with this configuration. However, you may want this content to only be seen by a select group of people. So in that case, you click on this little drop down and you will be able to see all the different roles that are mapped to this instance. So in this case, the options are retail manager, consumer, salesperson and so on and so forth. So in this case, I am selecting consumer. Now the beauty of the Streams platform is that within a certain role, you might have subdivisions which are broken up into agency. So in this case, let's say I want to stream this content to the internal test team. So which means that even within the consumer role, you may have subgroups and you want to send this content only to that one subgroup. So in this case, I've set up the role as consumer and the agency as internal. However, I can also add another role by clicking on the add button. And again, I am able to select the role. So in this case also, I want the role to be consumer, but I want a different agency this time. So I select the agency which is called Team Pooja. This way you can add as many roles as you like, and within those roles you can select whichever agency that you want this content to be streamed to. In case you've made a mistake and you want to remove any of these roles, all you have to do is click on this little icon here and that role will get removed. Once you're sure of the users to whom you want to send the stream to and you have configured them all in this section here, you click on save. Once that's done, click again on the done button here, and you see the status here has changed from stream now to the fact that it is now streaming to one team, and it will also give you the date that the streaming started, that is the 1st of July. So again, a really simple process for publishing content. Thanks for watching.